Clever small space storage solutions. 1. Go vertical with wall storage. Use high shelves, pegboards, or floating units to draw the eye upward and free up floor space. This works wonders in living areas, kitchens, or entry. Adasha, organized. Marie, Hausalaja 2. Use multifunctional furniture. Choose smart pieces like storage ottomans, beds with built-in drawers, or tables that double as desks. These items serve multiple purposes while keeping clutter hidden. A dash of organizing live neat. 3. Utilize underbed storage. That space under the bed is prime real estate, rolling bins, or clear bags to store linens, out-of-season clothing, or extra gear. Organized. Marie, Martha, Stewart. Inspired homes. 4. Maximize door and corner spaces over the door. Organizers are great for shoes, accessories, or cleaning supplies. Corner shelves or lazy Susans transform awkward angles into practical storage. A dash of organizing live. Neat, perfect fit, living 5. Install pegboards and floating desks. Pegboards make organization flexible and customizable, perfect for holding tools, utensils, or craft supplies. Floating desks free up floor space while providing a functional workspace. Deco meets cozy space. We love 6. Embrace smart storage hacks, stackable bins, shelf risers, drawer dividers, and clear containers not only save space but also keep things visible and accessible. Perfect fit. Living Live Neat 7. Learn from tiny spaces like cruise cabins. Ideas such as wall hooks, ceiling-mounted USB ports, sloped wall closets, and smaller sinks can make compact living both clever and comfortable. Real simple. 8. Shop smart with budget organizers. Affordable space-saving tools like stackable bags, drawer organizers, pull-out pantry racks, and slim rolling carts can make a big impact in tight budgets. Real simple. +1. 9. Use the Mount Vernon method for decluttering tackle clutter room by room clean in a systematic, clockwise manner. Use bins and timers to stay focused. This method reduces overwhelm and builds organizing habits. Homes and gardens. Why these ideas work? They make smart use of vertical, hidden, and overlooked spaces like above doors and under furniture. Multifunctional furniture reduces the need for extra items that take up space. Affordable tools and DIY hacks can transform your home without breaking the bank. Organized systems are easier to maintain and make your home feel larger and more functional. Would you like me to also create a shareable PDF of top 10 small space organizing hacks? Or recommend specific storage products under $20 to get started? Just let me know.